Akufo Oduro meka say mi ntia na Mahama eruli na wo say so for wo dwere sa asem no kra na woka. Do you think about it before coming out to say all these things Anasha Ubeka digital HSM Mumajuni Swa Intimu de Bibiana Murefi and Penny and Panso but you queue and then vote for him. To about two Mr. Mo Tenkotiku Krugana Crown or two Shakum Crown Kobe because I said most of the Ghanaians there and all my general form because of Ponsan Quasas Mobeka any na Sabu Asabu High to Sabi. Me Bawumia issue me any issue. And what they name issue. My issue is how we gonna attack these NDC people. And say attack womu. Nemu who say yeah, mun trona mbedi any na mutwe daddy. I saw so for be also being common or catch and say your friend Akufo kuna guard catch and say your friend Kwajuku was your class who did poku. And even a Muhammad I am Ghana for. And it's our soft for Kofi phone trophy no go on mono. Woman na so mun na mutwe daddy. Akufo Oduro meka say mi ntia na Mahama eruli na wo say so for wo dwere sa asem no kra na woka. Do you think about it before coming out to say all these things ana na chese Bawumia na Akufo de omba ya de omo de enye 60 regions no mu ehwe so no mu hwe be 5 pe na ma contrast sorry dem mo be say so for we preaching me lack of common sense. That's what people see. It's a common sense is common, but it's not common to everybody. Because if common sense were to be common to everybody, and common sorrow or pass a quack to my end is not, and quasia for and this phone quasia for Guarmono, a Johanum, a diatem. Now, MP4, ten crofon back attack home. Now, the Bawumia can, Kofi from Wadi, no Mujimi. Come no more opposition. They were saying, say, baby, a galam say site will be a Akufo and declare her state of emergency. And it's opposition now see and declare that a state of emergency. That's when you're Wapa. I didn't know and when declare that, you know. Because when you were in opposition, you were complaining about that. You declare that place of state of emergency. I didn't know why, because that one should have been your first priority thing to do. No, search for grace. Or jump no, that useless guy. The MP4, Masha Kwei Samana Namanaka says search for grace. A criminal, that guy should have been jailed. That guy should have been jailed. What Namona Moshisha Modem, Shahan, Shahan, or Nam or Cancer, Fonsa, Sabi, Editiam. The Drew baby no son some collades and declare hard way in a by a man position, a man post. What can I not to move and send be brave far where we will come on to Muse boom as a moon to me casa. By Bawumia who did when there's a fight between MPP and MPP, make us say a Martas and only a George former aircraft. One whom pop. I am for Mohana boom NDC for Moja or more. Namo show. No be demoni rough. Some buy no more mistake no jeja o man cho mangu. Almost say mo onbe chimogu. Onbe chimogu. Na mo deserve so. Mo fa suanyansa. 2 months of gentility no bad. Who power? Mama Kofi intimidating more position. These people are being intimidating you. Who power? No intimidate you. Makofa dan parabe see in Kristo ni ya pampa so. NDC ni ya dia on chino MPP ya dia no chino. Makofa special prosecutor, that useless guy. I want him so I am not nipa on MPP on myself. No Makofa COVID did not be seen with no my pampaso. No harassment. When you she won't be demon rough. Because most about Ghanaians, most MPP party, but more really power, you don't know how to maintain power. When you people win power now, MPP will need power now. They don't know how to maintain power. You do no mutima they no matiada. No Kofi we chantro. They make campaign message ben pa na NDC putting the buy on be winning. Why you do na siku na gugu muntimi kan ho hwe. Ama matimi ko jina ba bi se. Meta bobo ya na me the politics can say na be ayi mama to Wellington boot no mu ebi gugu so. Is this a policy? No, otimi akeka sense mu we etimi de wini ama na party nana and what to and what the man kura say part MPP for my money misade dey win enye pa de dey man kola e dey for administration eye party line muntimi nka enche nkofo say dey na mahama koto ye enye pa do to na ye party line ma idin na mo hwe wo mo na Bawumia Ken to kwankwa na mo ko. Oh, to me it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. There's no sense in it. It doesn't make sense at all. Mo tafun wo hon mo na ma jano na mo aka so mo twa mo ho na mo ko. E depends na mo ye the largest opposition party in Ghana. And they move one. I'm over fighting with Akwa Galanse or say oba omaya omo ye Galanse aticho obe ja omu nyina mpeni pa so ye ja omu no mo na Galanse tamana na nado ebe kono eni Bawumia be kono na eso na ni eti se ayateche enti no mo na mo be kana Bawumia ntoko ahụ ahụ nti mo hu se so na ayateche nti metimi akaguma ma ato amanfo tumi say NDC for pro no mudi because they have nothing to offer Ghanaians. Nothing. And they know say they can. But when say Ghana for be I do not work for me na come green ni for more and ko be ya bobo abade ese na Addo nya 51 na year friend say Mahama nya 49 no be just say Mahama fa. I say what turn na e ba be 1594. It is an Addo nya say Mahama fa. Oh, there be Ghana for move gu eni as too much. Enti MPP foi munya kan Bawumia ntoko na oton na mo fa ni bre no nkoso NDC ko so mo man krofo no ho adwo mo e de say de insu e share fridge ma adwo. You should fight NDC and stop fighting among yourself. Fight them. When you fight them and you condemn them and they talk Ghana for you mo ba no be sort if yasem. Na say Bawumia kan talk na mo ye it's not going to put food on anybody's table. Mo fight NDC for no. Because when they were in opposition, they were fighting you guys. Yes, I said, be in one my friend is if one buy a talk Ghana for you. Muntimi nebi. Say sit na mo sha muntimi kasa na mo sha jeans ni t-shirt. Na mo nya rascal. Na mo ye too gentle dodo. Esem normal. Mo ma Ghana for dim ho yawo because Ghanaians, a lot of Ghanaians know say when NPP comes to power, no ma koye ma obo. Mobile and much be free education by penny Akufo by almost mo free. Some cry ko free na Addo so be free education mo mutimi ko bie. What I say? On be ye bi mo mu say yeah police for ya tuto we mama so mu nyina ko to abatia mo mu sa mo side internet ba sa. Ask yourself. And the muntimi kan engu NDC force na mo ho nan de bia ntokwa. Hey, that fight na mo supporters of MPP Bawumia ni Ken here mo fight NDC. That's what we want. Mo fight wo mo na mo man krofana for mo hodi too much. O ma for mo hodi. Enu nti na Mahama gyan ho no mo o se oba ya mo gyan ho mo ka se oba ye nche. Oba ye nche say 5 months on chair. Now on chair and want me use kabe about $500,000 and fan kotola nkusa. I didn't say the one say me try na normal to tell you about kotoka. Huh? Yeah, this is we fia fa. Just oba no abeti che post na mo pia che so bia ya ne chefa. Che do mba so mbabo kro no. Enye kro no na ewo inimdie bia so person be yama kro no. They're thinking about their pocket because they've been hungry for a long time. Until they want to fill their pocket. Chrono no mobile bomb. MPP before you've seen all this, you know all this, but you've kept mute and you are fighting among yourself. Instead of you directing the fight on the NDC, you have directed the fight between you, the two of you. That's what they say it goes all the time. The common sense is common, but it's not common to everybody. So NPP, show your common sense to Ghanaians. Momo say, and Kofi Amoba, omu ni mu nyansa. Yedi ni di anama mo mistake amu yamu nya biem. Mama Kofi e twantre sa abaji tumi na yede efiri mu nsam. Na ma yedi mo be fight is no, na ma yedi na mo amohomo ko. Ma me manuel se obi nto aso bi.